Good day. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to give you an update of my tower from the new seeds I planted about a couple of weeks ago. So this is what my tower is looking like. Everything is growing and flourishing. Yep. So as you can see, I got some peppermint. It's really growing. I got celery. I've got, what is that, Swiss chard right there. Got broccoli growing down there. I just started some seeds, some lettuce seedlings. So that's growing too. Pepper. I think it's bell pepper. Tomato. 2 different types of tomatoes. Lavender. That's growing good. Chives. Let's see. Got some lettuce. Of course, the kale is really growing. I just eat off of it and it grow right back. Spinach is growing. Parsley. Got the collard greens growing. There's broccoli again down there. I'm gonna put the lettuce right here. You got peppers again. I've got, what is that, chamomile. Oh, my mint is growing good. My mint is growing. What else down here? I got bok choy. Let's see, what's this? Mustard greens are growing. So yeah, just want to give you an update how things are looking. And I'm very proud of myself. It's growing right nice. Can't wait till it fill out. Alright, thank you for tuning into my channel today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and come again. Oh, and share too. Alright, love y'all. Peace out. And don't forget to look in my description box. Go to my website. And you can purchase one if you would like. Alright.